Welcome to What is This? Where we guess and learn new words on different subjects. And today our subject will be
Animals!
jungle animals. That's right, the animals from the jungle. That's so interesting.
A lion is the most dangerous.
Oh, let's see who will be the
Don't
first.
touch lions.
They don't live in jungle, luckily. Let's check it out. What is this? Is that a lemur? No, that's not. Is that a
snake?
Anaconda? No, that's not. That's not. Is that a? What is
Tiger!
it? That's the tiger. 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 What color is the tiger?
Black and
Orange with the black vertical stripes and he little bit white, yeah, in the front. And the tiger is the largest among all the other wild cats. Okay, let's try to guess our next jungle animal. What? That's right. What is this? Is that a chimpanzee? No. It's not. Is that a anaconda? No, that's not. No. It's not. Is that's the lemur. That's right. Lemur. That's right. Lemur. What color is the lemur?
white and black. Black and white.
Yeah, they like gray, but their tail is a ring tail with the stripes. And they have a long, you see the tail is much longer than the body. And they became so popular, of course, because of the King Julian from the Madagascar. Okay, let's try to guess another jungle animal. What is this? That's interesting. Is that a parrot? No, that's not a parrot. No. Is that a tiger? No, that's not a tiger.
Maybe
Is that a... What is that? Capybara. That's right. That's a capybara.
No, something.
It's No, they are the largest rodent. You know what it is? When they biting and eating the rodents like rats and stuff. They are semi-aquatic. They love to be in the water. They can even hold their breath under the water for 5 minutes. Imagine how long. Okay, yeah, let's try to guess another jungle animal. What is this? Is that a parrot? No, that's not a parrot. No. Is that a capybara? No, that's not. That's not. Is that a
snake?
Yay! But it's not a normal snake. It's anaconda! Yay! Anaconda! Woohoo! It's a semi-aquatic snake that stays under the water, and they don't have venom. They are squeezing their prey until they stop breathing, and then they open their mouths very wide. And anacondas considered the biggest snake on the planet. It can be 9 meters long and like 227 kilo heavy. Okay, guys, let's try to guess another jungle animal. What is this? Is that a lemur? No, it's not a lemur. No.
He say no.
Is that a chimpanzee? No, it's not. No.
Parrot.
That's right. That's the parrot.
Parrot.
That's right.
No, when you say something, then they copy you.
They have a very strong bills. They can crush even the nuts. They have a very grippy claws. They're also very strong, and they have very, very bright colors. You see, they like red, yellow, blue, and then they can be, you see, greenish. Okay, guys, let's try to guess another jungle animal. What is this? Let's see. Is it a parrot? No, it's not a parrot. No, it's not. It doesn't fit. No, it doesn't look like it. Is that a capybara?
No, too small.
No.
Too small.
No.
Is that a
Chimpanzee.
Yeah, that's right. You were right. That's the chimpanzee. Yeah. What color is this one?
Black.
That's right. They also call them the great ape. They are the closest relatives to the human. They are highly social. They like to live in their groups, and they always have an alpha male. It's always like a boss. It's always like the leader of the group. Okay, guys, that was it about the jungle animals. If you want to know more new words, don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!